It was the time when we say goodbye to Mcleodganj and start a new journey further.
वाह वाह वाह
खाएंगे पूरी साथ में खीर
वाह
जा रहे हॉट गाइस
वाह वाह
And with this, we started our journey for Bir. After a drive of 1 hour, we were finally at our hostel, the hosteler. So after keeping our luggage and resting for the day, finally we went out and enjoyed some live music. Yeah, so that's all about the first day in Bir. And tomorrow is going to be an exciting day. After doing all this adventure, we went to one of the most beautiful cafe in Bir, that is the Himalayan Monk. Had an amazing jamming session. Our next location was Bangour Waterfall. Going to Himachal and not trying local food is not something I'm gonna miss on.
We'll try local food known as dham.
धाम
So you guys might be thinking what dham is.
शादी होती है ना उसके बारे में मतलब इनवाइट किया जाता है सभी को जो रिश्तेदारी है उसको इनवाइट किया जाता है अब वो मतलब इनवाइट किया तो उनको कुछ खाना बनाना होता है यहाँ पर चावल बन गया दालें बन गई मीट बन गया सबको दिया जाता है जैसे आप लोगों ने खाया आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा
बढ़िया बढ़िया एकदम गजब था बहुत अच्छा था भैया
If you ever get a chance to visit Bir, do try local food here. So in this trip, we explored new places, we met new people, we played games, and most importantly, we enjoyed every moment of it. So this was my travel story to Bir.